The deadline to file taxes is approaching fast, and for those who haven't filed yet, it means it's crunch time. KIMT News 3's Maureen Dudley spoke with a financial planner who is passing along some info for filers.
I'm outside the office for Pulse Financial Planning, and they told me a few things that people may not know about tax season. Matt Elliott at Pulse Financial says filing early is usually a good plan when tax season comes. If you earn money from a business, however, you may need to file later than others if you don't get your K-1 form in February.
K-1s are one example of a tax form that if you've received those in the past, a lot of times those can come really late in the tax season. So the last thing you want to do is file your taxes and be on top of your game, and you get it done early and then you find out and you miss something.
He says if you miss something on your taxes, all you do is amend your return before the deadline, which may cost a little extra. If you are retired and live in Iowa, there's good news for filing state taxes.
A big one in Iowa, for example, is if you have retirement income that's taken out from, let's say, a 403B or an IRA, that's taxable from the federal government, but it's not taxable in Iowa state.
For retirees in Minnesota, however, retirement income still is taxed in state. If you don't have time to file by the deadline, the IRS does allow filers to extend their deadline to October if they fill out a form. If you're filing your taxes on time this year, the deadline is Monday, but if not, there is a form you can do to extend the deadline. In Rochester, Maureen Dudley, KIMT News 3.
And a link to those extension forms will be available on our website at KIMT.com. If you need to file your taxes later, the deadline to submit an extension is April 15th.